Good morning, traders. I have just taken a long position here using the code, and it is Thursday, February 12th, 2015. I'm just waiting for it to get about 10, 12 ticks ahead, and I'll place a break-even stop on it. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to place a stop on this trade, break-even stop, 50.88 on the stop. Has it come all the way back down on me? Yikes. Where'd it go to? 05 and my exit's at 07. Here we go again. Another one of these days. It's just barely gonna miss my exit. Yeah. Just for the record though, that doesn't normally happen. It doesn't. Usually my exit gets hit. I think my previous videos proved that. But I mean, it came 2 ticks away again. You know, it did that to me yesterday too, twice. And now so far again today. And watch it come all the way back and hit my break-even stop. And I missed the exit by 2 ticks. That's ridiculous. Okay, I'll be right back. It's going for the exit again. Is it going to make it this time? Where's my 10-minute at? Oh, there it goes. Yeah, it's just going to break through. Let me see here. Where's the code? Come on, go hit the exit. There we go. Finally. Okay, I'm going to come back. I look for more entries. First trade successful though. You see how powerful it is just simply, you know, figuring out what the code is and then taking the entry, and it's a precision level entry, and you just score a successful trade. I mean, I could just stop right now if I wanted to. Just do that one time every day. How simple is that? Okay, I'll come back. Or keep trading, make a whole bunch of money. Okay, I've taken a short position here. Looking for 20 ticks. I'll come right back when I calculate my stop. Okay, I've got my stop set at 19. That's like 11 tick loss. Okay, I'll come back, show you the progression outcome of this trade. Okay, it's moving in the right direction here. Looking to put a break-even stop on it. Need to get a little more ahead. A couple more ticks. 51.07 on the stop. Looking at the code. A few more ticks, please. Okay, 51.07 on the stop. Letting it go. Either going to go down and hit the exit, or come back and hit the break-even stop. One of the two. I have the benefit of using the code. And 20 tick exits work very often. Come on, a little bit further. Stop going right next to my exit and going back the other way. What is with this thing? It keeps doing the same thing over and over again. I mean, how easy would it have been for it to drop down and hit right to my exit? How easy? Instead, it goes right down next to it and then goes back the other way. Now, I don't have a problem with that, except for that it keeps doing this over and over and over again. I mean, you know, it's not supposed to do that. Over and over and over again. My exit's at 88. Look at where it went to. I don't know how many times in a row that makes. That's crazy. I tell you, that's just totally crazy. I mean, if this keeps up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start making my exit at 18 instead of 20. That way it'll hit every time. Okay, I'm going to come back. Okay, so it just jumped up, got me break even, took an extra couple pennies on the way, and missed my exit by 2 ticks. Again, by 2 ticks. Just keeps doing that over and over again. 2 ticks, 2 ticks, 2 ticks. It doesn't make it. That's weird. It's very, very bizarre. I mean, I've been doing this now since 2006 and I've never really seen anything like that. I mean, I've seen it happen over and over and over again, but not every day over and over again. So it's a little bit different. Obviously, it's just some sort of a coincidence, but it's starting to irritate me, obviously. Okay, I'll come back. Okay, I have just taken a short position here using the code. And let me calculate my stop and set it, and I'll be right back. Okay, stop is set to 51.15. I'll come back. Okay, it's coming down a bit here, not enough though. I'm going to place a break-even stop when it gets to about 87. Okay, here we go. 50.98 on the break-even stop. Okay, break-even stop in place. Now I'm not even gonna look. You're joking me, right? It's gonna do 2 ticks again. Look at that. That's 80. And look at where I'm at. 79. Okay, 1 tick. I mean, come on. Give me a break here, okay? I mean, seriously. I should lower it down because once it goes, it's gonna break. Watch. Let's go for some more. Booey on you. Yeah, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Okay, I could have did it faster. I was too slow to the draw, wasn't I? Okay, it's my fault. Sometimes you just don't feel like trading. I don't feel like it today. I'm tired. Anyway, maybe I will just take the rest of the day off. I'm tired. I've got a whole bunch of stuff to do just to catch up with business. Emails. Oh, take me the rest of the day just to write emails. Anyway, as you can see, the code system is very powerful and works very well. Just need to learn how to use it properly, obviously. And but once you do, you can certainly make a lot of money with it, that's for sure. In a few hours, I got to start the charting service. That's really helping everybody out. Charting service will really help you. I'm really happy that it does help people so much, because that helps me to teach people is through that charting service, and it helps them to learn, and it's helping them to hit the code 2 trade every day. And of course that helps them make money, obviously. So not only they get to learn, but they get to make money at the same time with the charting. So I'm glad that that's helping so much, because you know what? Because it's taken a lot of work from me. It does. Every day it takes so much work, not just in terms of doing the charting, but in terms of keeping up with the production of the charting. In other words, I can't do anything else and get behind. Otherwise the charting gets behind. And so it's not easy to keep up with that production level type work. But I'm doing it because it really, I'm having a huge positive effect from it. So I'm glad that it's helping so much, you know. I'm really glad about that. And also these videos are helping too. Because once you know what the code is, they'll help you. You could sort of use them as a learning tool, an everyday learning tool. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get going. I've got the 1 trade per day, which has been working every day now. Working really good, but I'm gonna skip on it today. I'm too tired to take it. I'm gonna go do other things now that I need to get done. So I'm gonna call it a day. I should have did better if I'd have hit my exit. My first to second exit, whatever it was. Anyway, that's what trading is all about. But if you know the code, pretty simple, isn't it? Pretty darn simple. It's probably not as simple as I'm making it look because I'm really good at it, but still, normal, regular people are doing this every day and doing really super well. Hundreds of people, in fact. So it can't be that hard, right? If people who've never even traded before are doing this. In fact, that's some of the best people, is people who have actually never traded before. Because then they come in, they learn the code, they don't learn all these bad habits, all these indicators, or all these different ways of trading. They don't learn all this stuff. And so they just learn the code and focus in on that and do really super well. Whereas people who've been trading for years and they're caught up in all these different things, they just get sidetracked with all that stuff. And the code is just like one thing out of all of those things. And they want to try to incorporate all of those things into their trading strategy, not just the code. And so they don't even fully understand the code, not even realizing that knowing the code, you could trade 100 times better than if you had all those strategies combined put together. The code represents all the movement in the whole entire market, whether it goes up or goes down. It can't go up or down without using the code. It's impossible. So that's why the newbie traders who've never traded before seem to be the ones that do the best at this. Of course, then again, I've seen some veteran traders come in, learn the code with an open mind, and go out and just go make a fortune their first week. I've seen that many times. So it just depends on the person, obviously. Not everybody's stuck on, this one way of thinking. Anyway, as you can see, though, the code works really super well. Works better than anything else out there, I guarantee it. Anyway, I'm going to go. I'll be back tomorrow. I've got to do the charting a little while. And tomorrow is Friday. Oh, thankfully. I'm tired. I need a rest. I'll see you guys. I'll see you charting members in the charting area. And I'll see you traders tomorrow. Happy trading.